Camping vacations are fun. They offer unforgettable emotional moments and sometimes even adventures. Because every square centimeter counts when camping with a caravan or motorhome, we always take only the most necessary with us. However, nobody wants to travel without their music, which is in our pockets and everywhere we go, thanks to our smartphone. Our invisible sound system BTR203 takes you to new heights with its unique sound, simply by streaming via Bluetooth. We'll show you how easy the installation is. First, look for a suitable place to install. In our case, we have chosen the cabinet next to the entrance because we also have access to a power outlet here. Enter the size of the chosen area into our positioning tool. Our tool will show you where to best place the two exciters so that it sounds really good. Fasten the exciters at the indicated points with the adhesive tape or fix them using screws. Now you simply connect the receiver to the exciters and plug in the power supply. Attach the receiver to a convenient place. Thanks to the included mounting aids, you can tidy up the cable routing a bit. Done. Now you simply connect your device via Bluetooth and stream your favorite music with the app of your choice. A camping vacation sounds good. And now even better, thanks to the invisible sound system BTR203. Order yours now.